Well, we have a hearty helping of clouds to go around here this day before Thanksgiving. Just a couple of showers really to tell you about, but if you're going to be hitting the roads for this big getaway Wednesday, I think you're going to be in pretty good shape outside of, again, maybe some wet roads to deal with. We will have temperatures dropping as we head into the afternoon, but they'll be slowly falling from the 40s into the 30s. And as far as Thanksgiving Day goes, well, looks like we'll have a seasonable, reasonable day with a little bit of a breeze. There's going to be an approaching cold front that will allow the winds to be stirred up just a bit. Could see some pretty good gusts. We'll talk more about that here in just a little bit. And then once we get behind that front on Friday, we'll find much cooler air. Temperatures likely not out of the 30s in many spots if you're going to be hitting the shops and the stores for Black Friday. Definitely want to make sure that you have a heavier coat on. Hour by hour we go here for your Wednesday. Again, just a couple of showers, plenty of clouds. And those temperatures, again, starting out in the upper 40s, but then dropping into the low 40s with that breeze coming in out of the northwest. And as I mentioned, we are going to find a cold front making its way in from southern Ontario as we go into tomorrow, and that will stir up the breeze. Could see some gusts closing in on 30 miles per hour in Buffalo. Could see some 40 mile per hour gusts right along the immediate lakeshore. And notice here that the winds will diminish as we go into later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night as the front makes its way off to our south and east. As far as precipitation chances are concerned here for the day today, just some widely scattered showers to talk about. We're under 30% here, but the time frame to watch for a few of those showers again would be into the first part of our afternoon. Most of the rain now well to our east, and again, we are going to find nothing more than a couple of spotty showers here for the day today. It dries out for Thanksgiving Day, but again, that wind will be coming in out of the northwest, and that will help to actually fuel a few lake flakes on Friday. That would be primarily well east of Buffalo, just southeast of Lake Ontario. You can see that little streamer right there. Right now, it is 45 degrees in Buffalo with a cloudy sky. The breeze is coming in out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour. Back to the north and west, we are into the 30s. So cooler air is waiting in the wings. Just a few scattered showers showing up on Super Doppler at this point, and that's going to be the order here of the day today. Nothing more than a couple of showers. Otherwise, a lot of clouds, temperatures dropping into the 30s by dinner time. Probably a light dinner for you, I would imagine. And then as we head into the Thanksgiving Day holiday, we'll see high temperatures back into the mid-40s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Again, there comes that front later into the night, and it certainly will help to drop the temperature. By Friday morning, we are below freezing. Today, 47 should do it for a top temp with, again, just a couple of showers. You're at 43 in Lockport, 41 in Pendleton for a high, 44 West Seneca, and into the western and central southern tier. We're into the upper 30s, dropping to 36 tonight. There's that super 7-day forecast. Again, Turkey Day, not too tough to take. Friday, a little bit chilly, maybe a few